You can't have catarrh and cough in peace anymore. Oh. Everybody, have you got tested? Have you been tested? Please, please, we're having catarrh and cough before coronavirus came. So if you see me coughing, if you see me sneezing, if you see me blowing my nose, don't ask me that stupid question. Hey guys, happy new month. It's the 1st of December and it's been a while that I did any video like this showing my face. It's been cooking videos and stuff, but I think I'm gonna be doing Vlogmas, and I'm gonna tell you guys a little bit about how my Vlogmas this year is gonna go. But before I even go into that, how are you guys doing? We haven't interacted like this, like I said, in a while. You know, how's everyone doing? So much stuff has happened in past months, but I hope you guys are good. Thank you to all my new subscribers. Thank you to all those who have been here from the beginning, watching all my videos, leaving comments and likes. Thank you guys. Okay, if you don't know me, my name is Lola. I live in Lagos. I'm a mom. I like to cook. I have wandering taste buds, so I like to cook cuisines from different parts of the world, or meals from different cuisines, I should say. So like I said, this year again I'm attempting Vlogmas. Now what is Vlogmas? Vlogmas is when YouTubers, you know, release a video every day for 25 days in December till Christmas. Last year I did it for 9 days. This year I'm not making any promises, but I'm going to try. I'm going to do what I can to deliver you guys nice, interesting content. Okay, so Vlogmas can take any form, you know. A lot of people do mostly ignore my background, guys. Okay, just ignore this dining table looking like a mess. So many people do vlog, like family vlog like type content for Vlogmas, but in my usual fashion, I just pick something interesting for that day and showcase. It could be a recipe, it could be makeup products, it could be me doing my makeup, it could be commentary about something happening, it could be sharing a tip, you know, for the moms out there. It could be anything. So that's the way my Vlogmas is going to go. It's not really going to be family vlogs. I don't do family vlogs, you know. I don't have what it takes, and that's not saying the skill, what it takes in terms of the time, planning, the patience, even the gadgets, you know, at least for now. So you're not going to be getting, you know, family type vlog, and I'm not even want to really show like family and too much, you know, of my little family. So but you guys are going to enjoy this. You are going to enjoy this, even if it's a 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 5 minutes video. I'm gonna make sure I put out something. So if you can hear my voice, you can tell that it's very nasally. Like, yeah, we've been down with a cold, and you can't have catarrh and cough in peace anymore. Oh. Everybody, have you got tested? Have you been tested? Please, we're having catarrh and cough before coronavirus came. So if you see me coughing, if you see me sneezing, if you see me blowing my nose, don't ask me that stupid question if I've done coronavirus tests, because I'm not going to do it, because I don't have coronavirus. Okay, but on a serious note, yeah, it's just regular cold. We don't have any other symptoms, just and it's just me. Actually, everybody had a little bit, but everybody else is fine. I'm still getting better. My husband too, just he's at the peak of it. You know how cold is, like it starts slowly, then you get to the peak, then you start going down again. So I am going down. He is like right there now. Everybody else is actually fine. Yeah, so we just took like regular cold medication, taking our normal vitamins, which we take all the time. So yeah, everybody's fine. No temperatures, nothing like that. Okay, so please let us have catarrh and cough in peace. So this is my little introductory video to Vlogmas 2020 day 1. You guys leave me some love in the comments, encouragement. If there's something you actually want to know or see, or video you want me to make, you know, as regards Vlogmas, let me know. Like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't, guys. Okay, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Okay, bear in mind I'm still going to be doing my regular recipes, but Vlogmas is gonna be on cue on a daily. All right, okay guys, I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.